Before this strategic bomber dominates the sky, it begins with nothing but raw metal. Today, you'll witness every real manufacturing stage from the ground up. Every lift is carefully controlled to avoid microscopic damage. Even raw metal requires aviation-level handling. Every material receives full traceability from delivery to final assembly. Nothing enters production without documentation. Engineers verify every alloy before manufacturing begins. Only certified aerospace materials continue forward. Microscopic inspection confirms internal material quality. Hidden imperfections are rejected immediately. Now the transformation from raw alloy to aircraft begins. Each plate is prepared for precision machining. Even microscopic contamination can affect machining accuracy. Clean metal ensures precise manufacturing.
Every plate is fixed within fractions of a millimeter. Precision starts before the first cut.
Digital measurement defines every future machining path. Accuracy now prevents costly errors later.
Massive alloy plates begin taking their first structural form. Only excess material is removed at this stage.
Every edge is finished by skilled hands. Manual work remains essential in aerospace manufacturing.
Templates confirm each dimension before drilling begins. Every measurement must match engineering drawings.
Thousands of fastener locations are machined with extreme precision. Each hole will later join major aircraft structures. Even tiny burrs are removed by hand. Perfect surfaces reduce future stress concentrations. Dimensional accuracy is verified before fabrication continues. Nothing advances without inspection approval. Temporary coatings protect metal during manufacturing. The surface remains pristine for future assembly. The completed panels move towards structural fabrication. Assembly still hasn't begun. Flat metal must now become aerodynamic structure. Controlled pressure replaces brute force. Thousands of tons of force reshape the alloy. Its future aircraft contour begins to appear. Every curve is inspected before joining larger structures. Precision here determines aerodynamic performance. Final adjustments are still performed by experienced craftsmen. Small corrections create perfect alignment. Every surface is cleaned before structural assembly begins. Foreign particles are never allowed inside aircraft structures. Each finished panel is staged in the exact order required for assembly. The aircraft itself has not yet begun to take shape. For the first time, separate components begin forming the aircraft's internal backbone. This precision jig will define every dimension that follows. Before any permanent joint is made, every frame is aligned within tight aerospace tolerances. A single misalignment here could affect the entire aircraft. The structure is drilled as one assembly to guarantee perfect alignment. Every hole must match its neighboring component exactly. Each drilled opening is hand-finished before fastening. Smooth edges reduce long-term structural stress. Every joining surface must be perfectly clean. Contamination is removed before permanent assembly. Sealant protects internal joints from corrosion and moisture. Only a controlled amount can be applied. Temporary fasteners prevent movement during permanent joining. The structure is now fully stabilized. Each fastener is selected for its exact structural location. No two joints necessarily use the same rivet. Many structural joints are still completed by skilled technicians. Consistent rivet formation is critical.
Every rivet is individually inspected. Any imperfect fastener is immediately replaced.
The aircraft's internal backbone continues to grow section by section. Only the skeleton is taking shape. Longerons distribute structural loads across the fuselage. They strengthen the entire airframe. Each structural member becomes part of a single load-bearing system. Precision remains the highest priority. Internal reinforcement is added long before exterior panels appear. These hidden parts carry enormous loads. Laser inspection confirms the growing structure remains perfectly aligned. Every new section is verified immediately. Hidden structural areas receive long-term corrosion protection now. Later assembly will seal these sections permanently.
The internal support network continues expanding. The aircraft is still only an internal framework.
These beams increase rigidity while reducing overall weight. Every connection is carefully inspected. Hidden areas receive the same attention as visible ones. Nothing escapes inspection. Metal debris must never remain inside an aircraft structure. Every cavity is thoroughly cleaned.
The first exterior panel is only test-fitted. Final attachment comes after dimensional verification. Uniform panel gaps are essential for structural accuracy. Measurements are recorded before installation. The first permanent outer skin section is finally secured. The aircraft begins gaining its external surface.
Flush rivets reduce drag while maintaining structural strength. Surface quality is critical from the very first panel.
Even tiny surface deviations are corrected immediately. The growing airframe must remain aerodynamically precise. The forward fuselage structure is now ready for the next manufacturing stage. In Part 3, the center fuselage and wing, the completed forward structure becomes the reference for the aircraft's central fuselage. Every alignment point is locked before new sections are added. The strongest frames support the aircraft's central load path. Each surface is cleaned before permanent joining. Heavy structural frames are installed one section at a time. Manual guidance prevents even the smallest impact. Laser alignment ensures every structural frame shares one center line. Tiny corrections now prevent major problems later.
The aircraft grows through thousands of carefully placed structural fasteners. Each joint becomes part of one continuous airframe.
Long structural beams distribute loads throughout the fuselage. Perfect straightness is critical. Many major structural joints are still assembled by skilled technicians. Consistency matters more than speed.
Hidden joints receive the same inspection as visible ones. Nothing advances without approval.
Internal floor structures strengthen the aircraft while minimizing weight. Each piece fits only one exact location. Every connection is measured after installation. Verification is built into every production stage. Compact reinforcement brackets dramatically increase structural strength. Every fastener is tightened to a specified torque.
Thousands of measurement points confirm dimensional accuracy. Only verified structures continue through production.
The aircraft is now ready for one of its strongest internal structures. The wing carry-through assembly is prepared long before any wing is installed. This massive titanium beam will carry the loads generated by the aircraft's variable sweep wings. Its position must be accurate within fractions of a millimeter. Even microscopic movement is corrected before fastening begins. This structure defines the geometry of everything installed later. Every structural fastener is installed and torqued under controlled procedures. Each one becomes a permanent part of the airframe. Every critical joint is independently verified before production continues. Inspection is as important as assembly itself. Additional reinforcement spreads structural loads throughout the center fuselage. Every plate is matched to a unique installation location. Balanced riveting minimizes internal stress during assembly. Every row follows a carefully planned sequence. Protective coatings preserve hidden structures for decades of service. This treatment is applied before access becomes limited.
Thousands of measurements confirm structural accuracy. Nothing advances without dimensional approval.
The center fuselage begins receiving its outer aerodynamic skin. Each panel is first installed temporarily for inspection. Flush riveting creates a smooth aerodynamic exterior. Every completed section is inspected immediately. Even tiny surface variations are corrected before production continues. Smooth geometry is essential for high-speed flight. To the WASI. The aircraft's central backbone is now complete. Next, the tail structures and variable sweep wing assemblies will be. The rear fuselage begins with individually machined structural frames. Every component is verified before entering final assembly. Each frame is positioned using precision fixtures instead of force. Accurate alignment now simplifies every later assembly stage.
These longerons strengthen the rear fuselage against flight loads. Their alignment must remain perfectly straight.
Thousands of rivets transform separate parts into one rigid structure. Every completed joint is immediately inspected. Every structural dimension is digitally verified. Only approved assemblies continue forward. The rear fuselage begins receiving its aerodynamic outer skin. Every panel is verified before permanent fastening. Smooth flush riveting improves both strength and aerodynamic performance. Each section is inspected before the next begins.
3 major fuselage sections now become one continuous structure. Perfect alignment is essential before fastening.
Permanent joining transforms separate assemblies into a single airframe. Every fastener is installed under controlled torque. These forged fittings will support the aircraft's variable sweep wing mechanism. Only after inspection can installation begin. The wing pivot mechanism is installed before any wing structure is attached. Its alignment determines the accuracy of future wing movement. The wing pivot system passes its final dimensional inspection. Part 4B will begin with manufacturing and installation of the variable sweep wings.
Each wing assembly is completed and inspected before meeting the fuselage. The wing root fittings are prepared for one of the aircraft's most critical installations.
The left wing is aligned with extreme precision before the pivot pin is installed. Even the slightest deviation is corrected before assembly continues. The wing pivot mechanism is permanently secured and immediately tested. Smooth movement confirms the accuracy of the entire installation. The vertical stabilizer provides directional stability throughout every phase of flight. Its attachment points are inspected before the assembly is released. The horizontal stabilizers complete the aircraft's primary tail structure. Precise hinge alignment is essential for future flight control accuracy. With the airframe structurally complete, attention turns to its powerful NK-32 engines. Every engine is inspected before it is lifted into the aircraft. Each NK-32 engine is installed under carefully controlled lifting procedures. Laser alignment ensures every mounting point locks into perfect position. The landing gear is installed before the aircraft can support its own weight. Each wheel assembly is checked for smooth movement before final approval. The cockpit glazing and nose redome complete the aircraft's external structure. Careful masking protects critical components before the painting process begins. Multiple inspections confirm that every system performs exactly as designed. Only after passing rigorous ground testing is the aircraft cleared for its first flight. From certified aerospace alloys to a fully operational strategic bomber, every stage demanded extraordinary